Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zlatar Gardens, and this is Talene. Say hi, Talene.
Hi.
We just harvested a whole bunch of Rio Red grapefruit. There's a lot more. Little tip for all of you: you want to ensure the ag company came to mark the citrus trees. You want to make sure that you harvest the remaining citrus on your tree when you when you see brand new leaves forming. If you see brand new leaves forming right after this, you'll see flower clusters. You don't want to have fruit on the tree when you see flowers come in on the citrus. One moment, Talene, I'll get it. Because if you do that, what I've noticed, you're gonna get less production and less size of fruit. So you can see, this is not the largest ones I've had, but you can see the size of these. And I'm not counting this year.
Red ones.
Those red ones, this is Rio Red. That's what they are, honey. We got a lot more to do, a lot more. I've already harvested so much, and I don't see any new leaves on the Moro Blood Orange, so I'll do that later. I'm gonna be juicing the grapefruit and giving some away. But yeah, so okay, I will. You know, she didn't really talk at all. She didn't talk at all till the camera came on. But yeah, once again, you see leaves like this, you see all those leaves, time to get the fruit off. Don't keep it on. All right, everybody? All right, say bye, Talene.
Bye. See you tomorrow.